Good morning, professors. This is Charlotte Behrens with Pearson Education, and on behalf of the Florida team and myself, I wanted to take a very quick moment to review the new and improved MyHistoryLab. At the new and improved MyHistoryLab, at the Support tab, the first thing that you'll see that we did upgrade were the trainings. Along with live online training, step-by-step tutorials, and in-person training workshops, Pearson now offers self-paced interactive training sessions for faculty. This will allow you to go ahead and teach yourself how to use MyHistoryLab in the convenience of your own home at your own pace. The next thing I wanted to go ahead and show you within MyHistoryLab itself are going to be the new video series that Pearson has just added. The new and improved video series, as you can see, goes ahead and on one side of the screen it actually has the video or the image that is going to be discussed by either a historian or an author. So for example, if we scroll down and we hit Nat Turner, we can see that as the video plays, on one side is the image that students are to be viewing. And then on the other side is an author and a historian explaining that image in detail to the students. This allows the students to not only be viewing the image or the video that you want them to see, but also gives them a detailed explanation as to what should be going on and the thoughts that should be running through their minds. The next thing I wanted to go ahead and show you today that's new and improved is going to be the writing space. Underneath writing space for students, you have writing practice, writing assignments, and instructor created. The instructor created is pretty self-explanatory. So what we're going to look at today are the writing practice and the writing assignments. Writing practice actually has writing assignments that are auto-graded by the system. How does this work? Well, let's click on the American Revolution. So under this particular assignment, we can see that the prompt is right here. The number of drafts they're allowed to have, the title, the due date, and you can actually have it checked right here through Turnitin so that it will be checked to make sure they're not plagiarizing. But long story short, underneath writing practice, these are auto-graded writing assignments. And the way this works is there is a direct rubric associated with this particular assignment. In this case, it's right here. So you can see that I can't actually change anything on this current screen. Because this is auto-graded, the rubric that's used has to stay with this particular assignment. The next thing I wanted to go ahead and show you is going to be the actual area called writing assignments. Now these are not auto-graded. These actually do have to be graded by you. But what's neat is that with these particular assignments, you actually have the ability to go ahead and modify the rubric in accordance with your particular needs. You can use the rubric that's already been created. You can modify a rubric that's already been created, or you can create your own. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click Other Rubrics. We will go ahead and associate it with, let's say, this one. I want to preview. And I can see this particular rubric. Okay. Alright, and the last thing I wanted to go ahead and show you today is I also wanted to go ahead and show you that if you go under Student Resources, you can see that underneath the history bookshelf you have over 1,500 primary source documents in order to be able to do document-based essay questions, which you can also add to your particular essays. So if there's something you would actually like them to read in conjunction when writing their assignment, you can actually place this document within the essay itself. Okay. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.